There are two obstacles seemingly in the way of clear perception of one's true being. Okay, the one that is not hurt and confused by life. These two obstacles are desire for pleasure and fear of pain. The state of lasting peace that the great spiritual masters and gurus of the past and the present have within themselves is beyond all motivation to gain pleasure and to avoid pain or run from pain. Beyond all motivation whatsoever. Honestly, beyond all motivation, period. You can stop it there, because our motivation is to go towards pleasure and away from pain. Or you can say go towards pleasure or away from pain. But pain and pleasure go together. At the end of pleasure, there's pain. At the end of pain, there's pleasure. Neither of which are happiness. No matter how much the individual may confuse pleasure with happiness, happiness is not pleasure. It's pleasant, it's not pleasure. Right? Little word play there. But these two obstacles are the only two obstacles to that may delay one's self-realization. Nobody knows the power, the love, the joy, the bliss, the spontaneity, the intuition, the infinitude of the one who wants nothing. Become nothing and gain everything simultaneously. Become